Did you know that your brain can detect lies in just 0.3 seconds? That's faster than the blink of an eye. It's almost like having a superpower. Now, this got me thinking, what other amazing things can our brains do in 0.3 seconds? And it turns out that in that tiny fraction of a second, our brains can process a vast amount of information and perform incredibly complex calculations. For example, did you know that in 0.3 seconds, your brain can calculate the trajectory of a moving object, like a ball or a car, and predict where it will be in the future? This is thanks to a part of the brain called the superior temporal sulcus. This area is responsible for processing motion, and it allows us to make predictions about the future based on the movement of objects around us. But that's not all. In 0.3 seconds, your brain can also process the emotions of the people around you. You can detect their facial expressions, tone of voice, and body language to determine how they're feeling. This is thanks to a network of neurons that connect different parts of the brain, including the amygdala, the hippocampus, and the prefrontal cortex. These areas work together to process social cues and help us understand the emotions of others. And if that wasn't impressive enough, in 0.3 seconds, your brain can also process pain. You can feel the intensity of a stimulus and determine whether it's harmful or not. This is thanks to a complex system of nerves that transmit information about touch and pain to the brain. The brain then uses this information to trigger a response, such as moving away from the source of pain. But how does your brain do all this in just 0.3 seconds? It's thanks to a process called parallel processing. Your brain can process multiple stimuli at the same time and in real time. This allows you to respond quickly to changes in your environment and make decisions in a fraction of a second. So the next time you're faced with a difficult decision or a complex problem, remember that your brain is capable of some truly amazing things. It can detect lies in just 0.3 seconds, and it can process the emotions of others, calculate trajectories, and perceive pain in the same amount of time. With a little practice, you can learn to harness the power of your brain and use it to your advantage. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. If you did, please don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.